Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to unclog a toilet, okay? Unclog a toilet. So, we're going to need, every homeowner should have one of these things. This is a toilet auger, okay? Works very easy. Just have a bucket, some gloves. So very simple. Toilet auger, you're going to open it up all the way. If your toilet's plugged up, right? You're gonna come here, get it right in there, and then you're gonna push it in, twist, push it in, twist, push it in, twist, push it in, twist, right? Push it in, twist, twist, push it in, twist, push it in, and twist. Push, pull it out. Push, see that there, that's dirty? Oh, look at that. You see? Yeah. Toilet auger. You have something stuck in there that'll unclog it, right? A toilet auger. Okay, guys? Toilet auger, right? You open it up. You can get this at Home Depot, Lowe's, and hardware store. Spin, 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 spin. Right, open it up. Right, you see that? That's it, guys. Sometimes you might pull out some paper, some stuff. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube video. Make sure you like this video, comment if you have any questions. So every homeowner, every landlord, every plumber should have a toilet auger. Okay guys? Have a good day.